Hey, what's going on YouTube? What we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna purchase another rx8 through the auction. Let me show you steps I go through. I'll go here. These are the cars I'm watching. I'm watching a Toyota MR2. This one is going for 800 bucks. Buy it now. I believe it won't start. Stick shift, as you guys can see in there. I'll try to zoom in. There you go. This one is a 2000 Toyota MR2 for $800. Car won't start. Clean title. It owes 250 DMV fees. Also watching this Miata is going for 275 bucks. This one is salvage title. 275 bucks. Let's see the pictures. Has little wheels. Stick shift. 270,000 miles. I believe this one won't start. Yeah, it won't start. Let's see what else am I watching. Audi. It's going for 475 bucks. With the 1.8 turbo. This one 475. Big vehicle starts. This one is a salvage title. All these cars are for California. Let's go back. Magnum. This one has an engine damage but will starts. This is a pretty nice car, but I'm not into Dodge, especially the Hemi, because those engines are horrible. There's a Hemi engine in there. 128,000 miles. For sure the valve seals came off on they shattered, so we're gonna need new heads. So I'll stay away from those Hemis. They're trash. E46 for 925. With the M20, where is this one? 2002, 2003. 325i. With the ball cover everybody wants. I still have another ball covers on my trunk. I sold 6 so far, so I have another 2 more. 925. This is a clean title. Little Civic for 575. 2-door. Stick shift. We have a little pickup truck. C10. Pretty nice looking. It's like halfway project, and they took the carb off. Yeah, carburetor is off, as you guys can see. This one is going for 1,900. It's a clean title. It owes 219 on DMV. This is the baby I'm getting. 2004 Mazda rx8, going for 550 bucks at one start. The good thing about it is 87,000 miles on it, so close to 88,000 miles on it. It's a clean title. It owes 125 on DMV. Some type of fees. Check out the pictures. Sunroof is open. Smoky headlights. The other side. This is their back. Smoky taillights. Look at the interior. They took the stereo off, but if you guys can see it right here on the top right corner, I don't know what the heck is that. Is that a navigation system, or what the heck is that? It's a 6-speed. Leather, like always. It's looking good. 87,708, close to 88,000 miles on it. So that engine should be cool. Most likely, it's gonna. What I'm guessing, it has a hot problem start, like hot start problem. Whenever when they warm up, it's really hard to start those RX8s. It's either that or it won't start because the starter and those is weak. So that's when you go ahead and do the Series 2 starter swap. So I'm leaning forward. That's what I'm guessing. If it needs a rebuild, oh well, it's gonna be a pretty series. So you guys are gonna see from this is step number 1 on how I'm getting the car. Step number 2 is gonna be me getting there on Thursday, and then unload it at the shop or where I have my little parking space and start working on it. See if it starts, see if it cranks, if the battery works. So the step by step, so anybody can follow this. If you guys have a car, your RX8, it crank and it won't start, or try to see. I don't know what's wrong with this one. Every time I purchase any car on an auction, I never go in person. I always buy them looking at the pictures with my eyes. You can even say blindfold. Like my eyes are closed. Like I haven't seen them in person. I always see the cars through the pictures. It's a gamble, but oh well. So right here is the rest of the interior, the back seats, stuff, and that's how the engine looks. It looks kind of clean if you ask me. As you can see right there, the plastics, this and that. I believe this is where is there, 6-port? It's a 6-port or 4-port. I can't really tell on the picture. I think it's a 6-port. So yeah, that's about it. That's the RX8 I'm getting. Let's see what else I'm looking at. An E46 stick shift, $650. Stick shift. I was planning on buying this one for my Panda, so I can get all the parts, so I can make my Panda stick shift. But I rather buy the RX8. 650, Mustang, a 330, another Civic, a Triumph bike, a 636, another Civic, 4Runner, another E46 wagon, 2016, and then this 08 RX8. This one has been there for a long time. I don't even think they're gonna sell it or staking. I don't know what the heck are they waiting for. If they end up selling or buying now, it's gonna be only for like $200, $300. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.